2016 VW Caddy has come in today to be upgraded with a cracking Alpine iLX-705D. Let's have a look why, and then we're going to have a look at the unit itself. Right, so this is needed upgrading purely because it had in it the well-loved and well-known Discover Media head unit with the nav and touchscreen and things like that. And as I'm sure a lot of you VW people will know, these love to fail for a pastime. First off, the screen delaminates, so therefore the touchscreen goes. So you're losing a massive amount of functionality, and then gradually from there they tend to fail even more. Buttons start to go, other bits and pieces. We take out so many of these and replace them with Alpines purely because if you want to get a new one of these, brand new from VW, they cost loads. Just it gets silly money. And bearing in mind that you then end up still getting kind of old tech, it doesn't make sense. So like I said, these go into many different vehicles. We do loads of transporters, obviously. We did a VW Charan, one of these had in it, Caddies, the lot. They go into so many vehicles, but they all fail in the same way. So we replace them with either Halos, obviously, or a 705D, which is the 7-inch in-dash unit that works exactly the same way as the Halo, but it still just gives you that nice in-dash view and obviously integrates with the car perfectly. So let's jump in and have a look. So there we go, 7-inch iLX-705, all mounted into the dash with the fascia. It's the same, essentially the same fitting kit that works in the transporters and all the other vehicles that have that standard shape VW unit come out. It just goes in and looks really nice, and it ends up being a really nicely finished product. But like I said, it gives you all of your mod cons that you want, so CarPlay, Android Auto, all those sorts of things. So you still got all your radio with FM and DAB and everything in here. So this obviously had DAB originally, so we've retained it. So it doesn't mean you haven't got any extra DAB antennas anywhere on the screen or anything like that. FM just works as it should do. Obviously having GPS on the nav on the original unit means that we don't have to stick any little GPS units anywhere, so there's nothing stuck on the dash. It's all retained in behind the unit, and you get full functionality of steering wheel controls, obviously track selection and everything you need to do. And then like I said, we've got CarPlay as well. So coming in, you've got all your usual things you'd want to use, bit of navigation on there, Google Maps and things, Waze, anything that works with CarPlay basically just gives you that full modern usability that Alpines allow you to have in your car now, which is it's cracking. Another nice little feature is with there being the factory USB down here, with our USB retention kit, I'm able to retain that USB, which means that can now be plugged into for wired Android Auto or a wired connection to CarPlay. Now obviously at the moment James's phone is connected to this wirelessly because it does wireless CarPlay, but if you wanted to plug into that, it would give you a wired connection, which is obviously going to be slightly better, but also going to charge your phone as well. So if you were using your navigation on your CarPlay for a longer journey, you don't want to get there and be like, oh no, my phone's dead. It's charged, and it's been fully connected the whole time, and just means you don't have to have any cables dangling around. But then with these, with the Halos and the 705s, you get a second USB lead that comes out for charging. So then that's been just routed over into the glove box, and there's just a nice decent length charging lead here that you can just plug something else in and charge that way. So that's about it really. 2016 Caddy with removing that broken nav unit, as they all seem to do, and replacing it and updating it with an Alpine iLX-705D. So if you've got a similar problem with your head unit failing or breaking, it doesn't have to be the nav unit, it could be one of the older units, or you've got an older unit that doesn't have as much functionality and you want to modernize your vehicle, then please get in touch, fill out the contact form, let us know what it is you're looking for. Obviously we can do a whole range of stuff for vehicles, not just head units. We can add to it with audio and things like that. But yeah, get in contact, tell us what it is you're looking for, check out the rest of the videos, do all that standard social media stuff, and pass it on to your mates if they've been moaning about a broken head unit. And yeah, keep watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.